According to every pixel journal, AI has already created as many images as photographers have taken in the last 150 years. In this video, I'll show you how to use the free Canva AI image generator to create awesome images for your personal or business use. You can use these images in Canva itself, or you can use them in any other tools for your editing purposes. So what is the Canva AI image generator? It's a text to image generation tool. You input some prompts in text and it will give you an image based on that. Now it comes with a free version and premium version. You get a free version with 50 credits lifetime, and each credit gives you 4 image variation. So 50 credits lifetime means you only have 50 credits on a particular account. Once those expires, you'll have to go for the premium version or another account. If you take the premium version, you get 550 credits per month for image generation. So this means it will renew every month for 550 credits. Now to use this Canva AI image generator, you need a Canva account. So go ahead and create a Canva account and log in. This is the page you see. Canva can do a lot of things for your image editing purposes, for creating images for social media. It has a lot of features. We won't go into that in this video. To use the AI image generator, go to apps. Here search for text to image. You want to use this app called Magic Media, which is provided by Canva. So it helps you instantly generate images and videos with AI. For the images, you get this 50 credits. So you can use it in an existing Canva design that you already have or in a new design. Let's check with the new design. So suppose I want to create a Facebook ad. So I can pick any particular format I need. On the left side, you see this Magic Media, basically an AI image generator. Here you can enter your prompt on what you want to generate in the images. You have videos option, but we won't look into that right now. For the image, you can pick particular styles. There are a lot of different styles available. You can have photography like filmic, photo, neon, soft focus, minimalist, high flash. You can have digital art with anime or retro or concept art. You can have fine art with watercolor, color pencil, ink print. So a lot of options are there in styles, and you can pick the aspect ratio, whether you want a square, landscape, portrait. Those options are there. In the free version, like I mentioned, you get 50 credits. I already have used some credits that is showing over here. Let's look at an example of image generation. Hit the inspire me and it will just give an example. Boy lost in a jungle and muted colors. So suppose I want to have the style of a photography. I go to styles and pick photo, and it generate image. So now it is generating an image. It will take some seconds to do this, and it will give you 4 variations in the image. Our images are generated, and there are 4 images as you can see. You can drag these into Canva, you can edit them, you can use them however you want. So it's a very good looking image, and you have a lot of options for your particular business or personal use. That you can use any particular text and it will generate those images. Let's try another example. A golden sculpture of a rabbit, the red background. Suppose I want this in an anime style and I want it in the landscape. We'll generate image. Our 4 images are generated in the anime style that we expected, and if you drag it over here, you can see it. Looks pretty cool, right? Now the pros of using this Canva free AI image generator tool is it has a free version, of course, with 50 credits. You can maybe use multiple accounts as well. It is pretty good, as you can see. It is really easy to use. You just enter a text prompt, choose a style and your aspect ratio, and you get your 4 variations. And the images are AI generated, so they are free for commercial and personal use. Now the cons of using this AI image generator is you get 50 credits lifetime only for a particular account. Then you need to go for a premium account. You don't have any particular copyright on the images you generate. As with any of the AI images, there is no clear-cut definition of copyright with these images, so you can't claim that. I found that these images are useful for certain type of like abstract designs or certain anime styles or certain watercolor styles, so it works really well in those cases. For photo type of style, it kind of gives a mixed kind of output. Sometimes the outputs are really good. Sometimes with AI images, the hands will be messed up or the face will be messed up. So you need to try out your particular prompts to get some good images. So abstract objects works really well. So human and animal kind of images, it might have issues, or you need to check this. I hope you found this video useful on how to use the Canva AI image generator for your personal or business use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.